Alright guys, bear with me. I'm still drinking my morning coffee. It was a lot of whiskey last night. Alright, a lot of whiskey. Don't want to talk about it. We had 2016 M2. Customer came in, said, yo, cut my muffler off for me. No problem at all, buddy. Cut the muffler off, put some nice 3.5-inch single wall stainless tips for him, and that's pretty much it. It's a BMW. It's gonna sound sick. He's got a resonator here that was already deleted by some other shop. Not sure who did it. Welds aren't that bad. I could have done better. We all know that. But it's all right. It's not too bad. All right, got the muffler in the back that we cut out. Custom Y pipe, custom tails, stainless tips. Let's bring it down, fire it up, baby. You know how it is. Yeah.